Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, let's just unpack on Usenzo Meyiwa. I usaqalile ku Brigadier Kininda with the lies, ne? Because remember with Brigadier Kininda, most of his witnesses ne are deceased, guys. Or there will be stories like, I know, for example, Umbhekiseni Lo or umuntu ozungu and Absalomo Baba kaZungu. He couldn't come forward because he was afraid something can happen to his life. I'm just like, why can't we see your people? Bonke labantu okhuluma ngabo lama hearsay akho. Abantu bakhona they don't exist because he made them up. Wabapheka and manufactured them to be alive. And abekho labantu. Most of them don't exist. Maybe ngekho deceased. It's like, guys. So khayela mangathina until when? You know, you ask yourself every day. Lombhekiseni, it's like a make-believe, like fairies. You're understanding one of a story. Like, we have to believe this. I was just like, I'm done with Keninda, to be honest with you. How? Advocate Mnisi is telling Brigadier Keninda ukuthi lalela umuntu wakho lo Mbhekiseni lo wakho actually is not the originator of this whole statement. Naye ukhuluma ngenzwa bethi i-hearsay. Avela ijiki indaba uKeninda. Guys, into esingambuza ngazona lezi zinto zakhe liking elaborating on stuff that we didn't ask about, you know. He went on to say no. Absalom did actually mention ukuthi kodwa accused number 1 and 2 did delete Senzo Meyiwa. Because look, get up, we all know what they didn't delete him. You keep on pressing on that, and that is actually lies on its own, just like against the next. Guys, these things are from Mbhekiseni and them, no Absalom, no Zungu, it's a trail of hearsay. These things cannot be admitted in court. I'm just like, how is this even helping the courts, guys? We go on and on rubbish the whole day. Isn't it? They are not helping this case with this guy, Brigadier Kininda, lying through his teeth. Mnisi says the so-called Adan Danzi must come to court to testify, because otherwise, sihlaleleni a trail of hearsays. And basically, these statements that he has carry no value for him, and they cannot be admitted to court. Honestly. At that time, Urata is not really agreeing with Baloyi. What's your take on this? Guys, it's not fair. It's like Mnisi. Basically. It's like also Baloyi. Guys, Urata will never stop being biased to the defense, this guy. And it's like clear. It's an open book. Daily. Guys, Ubalo, you know, but he's just like, you know what? People must lie in their bed or show it defense. Information guys, hearsay, we must lie on our bed. Like, honestly, like, it's just so rude. Ubalo, and we are shake. Like, it's so far, it's just like, oh, we are caught. Actually, Mnisi is just exposing us now. This is his second day. Basically, Nami Urata was like, what do you think about what he know? Abantu mesebe decidile ukuthi bafuna ukwenza njani decide, but this is on record. I mean, there's nothing, we can't retract it, this information. He was just explaining ukuthi it cannot be retracted, it's on record, but it's on record, and ufile ukuthi it is admissible, it was admitted by the court. Utshela Urata lokho.
uKeninda gaslighting uMakhubo esethi hayi it was we were not going to be listening to someone so small. Yeah, futhi guys uKeninda yadelela chef, because angithi akhumbula ukuthi uMakhubo didn't have the rank that he has now, as a brigadier. He was very, very small to him. That is why they disregarded him. Also, as why resigned in any case, uMakhubo, I don't think he will ever be coming to court. We are saddened by that, but we just like, hey, we need to move on. uMakhubo nje uresigna baqeda ukumngenela kwakhe akusikudala boma end of last year. Bahlakaza umnyango bathola umntanakhe lapho and the gate and everything. Remember, I've been relating the story. Uhlezi esatshiswa. I'm sure wabukwa bayi-warrant futhi at the time. That is why bemgesela abathi please. He was very small low umuntu loyo. There was nothing that he was going to tell us. Bathola umntanakhe, but he wasn't harmed. There was nothing happened. Actually, nothing happened at his house. But uMarandi Makhubo besehlezi esatshiswa. Maybe it's better I resign so that he can live in peace. Ngoba vele ene bonke abantu abakule case banamanga and they do stuff to people when you start talking. As I was watching the case on SABC, 3 people are calling for 375. Mzansi is calling for 375. They're like, please, wena loku busy discrediting uMakhubo. Wena brigadier Geninde.
Guys, ake simeni kancane soqhubeka futhi ne-video later, but nje ubalo yabo was caught off guard. He's just like, what? This guy uqhamuka kuphi nalezi itori? Naye uGeninda ubanjiwe amanga. Abona njengalinto kaMakhubo, the whole thing of Usibiya being arrested and top people are coming out, generals. Umnisi is even saying, let General Smith appeal. And this is the whole thing. You go to the Pelabatu Bakobonke Baf. He can come here. As we are sure to type no Mashambani Babes Tibazombies. These are to guys, we actually don't care anymore. Like I said, the whole of SAPS, the whole force as SAPS has come to testify. We actually done. Like I not to but they were not even in the house. We're done. Thank you so much, guys. Later and get over.